LCM was x plus 2, x minus 2, and then it is cross multiplied, and this will be also cross multiplied. So it is x plus 2 into x plus 2. Okay, so now here we have to take the advantage of formula. So rather than doing the long process of multiply with this x minus 2 and x minus 2, I will like to take short process by using the formula. So why not to write x minus 2 whole square for this one, and why not to write this one as x plus 2 whole square. And this denominator x plus 2 x minus 2 looks like a plus b a minus b, so I will definitely use x square minus 2 square. I will make it like this, and then what will happen, that will come later. Okay, here this is still waiting, this right hand side still I cannot do anything, so I'm just keeping them into the bracket until and unless I get the final product from this left hand side. I will not do anything with right hand side. Okay, so the final product is yet to come from left hand side. So what will happen now? It is x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so this is applied with formula a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you can check in the rough column also by on your own. You will get the same thing for this. So just the different, another is also same, just the difference is plus. That's why this will come x square plus 4x plus 4, and down one is again x square minus 4. Okay, because this 2 square becomes 4, and right hand side is still as it is. So minus 4x I will directly cancel, and I will add with 2x square plus 8 in this side, and this is x square minus 4 is equals to 2x plus 6 divided by x minus 3 with the bracket. And of course I will keep them also in the bracket because this is the final product of the left hand side. Now it is the time to use the thing from right hand side also. So what can I do now? It's a cross multiply. Okay, you just simply do the cross multiply, and here is so many obstacles are going to come. The obstacle is it's not that big obstacle, it's just a multiplication, and that, yeah, so it is 2x square plus 8 bracket x minus 3. Okay, so this and this is multiplied, and now in this side it is 2x plus 6 bracket this x square minus 4 will come. Okay, so this time your cubic number is also going to come, but one thing will happen, that cubic number will definitely will be cut down due to some balancing or some kind of, so you will see that. Now what will happen, now here of course we cannot apply formula to multiply like this one. Here we just you directly use the formula and we got, but we cannot be lucky always like that. Now here we don't have any other option. Now we have to follow the method of multiplication, so I'm doing that. 2x square into x is 2x cube. You have to be little bit careful, and minus 6x square. So now it is the time for 8 to multiply, so 8 into x is plus 8x, and plus minus minus 8 3 the 24. Okay, so from here I got this product. Okay, now another side, 2x into x square is 2x cube, and 2x into minus 4 is minus 8x, and plus 6 into x square is plus 6x square, and 6 for the 24, but before that plus minus minus, so 24. Okay, you can see here in the left hand side also there is 2x cube, and in the right hand side also 2x cube. So if you find some similar terms with same sign in different sides, then this 2x will come here and get minus. Yes, so why not to cut them right now only? Okay, other thing, I don't think so those are going to be cuttable, because this is minus 6x square, this is plus 6x square. Okay, the pair will call to each other. Okay, meaning that this minus 6x square will bring this 6x square in the left hand side, and this also becomes minus 6x square. Similarly, this plus 8x and this minus 8x will be called in the left hand side, and that becomes plus 8x. Okay, so remember I just brought it here and became plus, and this minus 24 and minus 24, I think they are same sign in the opposite to each other, so they will be also cancelled like this, so I can directly cancel them. Okay, remember why I cancel them, because they have same sign in the different sides, meaning that if minus 24 if I bring, it is going to be plus 24. Minus 24 and plus 24 is 0. That's why it is cancelled. Okay, so this is the explanation for that part also. And okay, it is a 0. So in the right hand side, so everything has gone there. So it's a 0. So now thing is more getting more simpler now. What I have to do is this is minus 12x square, and this is plus 16x equals to 0. Okay, now here is a very important thing I have to tell you. Here is no necessity of doing sum and product rule of factorization. So you simply take the common, your thing will work. So I can take in 12 and 16, I think 4 can divide both of them. So I'm taking minus 4 common, and again x square and x, I'm taking x common. Okay. So now what is left? It is 3. 3 for the 12, that's why 3. Out of x square, x has gone. That's why x common, and here is x left. So plus will become minus because minus has taken out common, and 4 for the 16. So you simply take the common and then your thing is worked here. So your two equation is first either one is minus 4x equals to 0, and another is 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So your x equals to 0 or x equals to 4 by 3. Therefore, x equals to 0 or 4 by 3. So this is the final answer of x after doing this long process of simplification plus factorization. And the advantage here, factorization was just common taking factorization, and that worked. So this is your final answer.